Tuhin.
You're making this up. You're making this up to try to.
We are making this up.
Well, good evening. Yeah. Good evening, Deepthi. Good evening,
Yes,
everybody.
Tuhin, how happy are you that
Yeah,
Rahul
good
Gandhi
evening,
should
Deepthi.
continue
Good
to
evening,
lead the
everybody.
alliance?
No, we are extremely sad. The country deserves a quality opposition. And in fact, even after getting 99 seats, the Congress is turning out to be an extremely unworthy, extremely incapable opposition. But, the entire India alliance seems to be facing a grave existential crisis. And Congress especially is in a precarious situation because of the twin setbacks it has faced in the last couple of weeks. One, Sonia Gandhi needs to explain her links with George Soros. And number two, Congress knows that, Mamata Banerjee is being pushed as the next leader of the India Alliance. But again, when it comes to Mamata Banerjee, let me tell you that Mamata Banerjee is basically posturing. She knows that she will meet the same fate in 2026 assembly elections, the same fate that, Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar met in these elections in Maharashtra. So she is basically extracting her pound of flesh till the sun is shining for her. The entire India alliance is today full of unworthy leaders who feel that EVM is a very big issue.
But Tuhin, why don't you accept the fact that when it is a Mamata versus the BJP, you are in a problem? No, it is not as easy as Rahul Gandhi versus the BJP. You accept this, no?
Not at all.
Mamata is a far stronger leader than Rahul Gandhi.
Mamata Banerjee has presided over the worst anti-Hindu carnage after the 2021 assembly elections. She is somebody who has presided over crimes against women. As the health minister, she should have quit after the RG Kar hospital. So whether it is Rahul Gandhi or whether it is Mamata
Tausif
Banerjee,
can say that, listen, we have won the by-polls.
What are you saying,
Tausif,
Tuhin?
yes.
Tuhin,
No, by-polls
what
have
is
nothing
Tuhin
to
saying?
do.
Election season are over. Get over it, Tuhin. Your election narrative that was for 6 months ago. All that is over.
It goes
All those
beyond
RG Kar
elections,
issue,
Mr.
all those
Tausif,
Sandesh Khali issue, it did not work with you. Your propaganda has failed you.
The country will
Your
never
propaganda
accept
has
somebody
failed
like
you.
Mamata Banerjee, who has presided over anti-Hindu carnage time and again in Bengal. It goes beyond elections.
And that is
Try
why
to understand this.
Maharashtra
Fundamental
leaders,
anti-Hindu
Bihar
psyche will
leaders,
not be
Uttar Pradesh
accepted by
leaders
this country.
have welcomed the suggestion that Mamata Banerjee should lead the front.
Tausif,
No,
let me
is that
ask you
why
this.
that
You have the
the
support of the
Congress
NCP.
leaders
You have
from
the support of the
Maharashtra, Uttar
RJD.
Pradesh and
Now, when are you
Bihar
announcing?
have
When are you
expressed their
announcing Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the alliance? It's also good to see Rita now. She's representing the Aam Aadmi Party. She's just joined our debate. But Tausif, you complete your point first. When will you announce?
Well, the question that you're asking, when this is going to be shaped up formally, that will happen in due course of time. The alliance, as of now, is not structured in a way that the alliance would want itself to be structured. There has to be a chairperson, there has to be a convener, and all those things will, in due course of time, you will see all that happening.
Fantastic.
Today, if you're talking about opposition, it is the entire opposition parties who had moved this motion against the Vice President and the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The opposition stands united. Everyone bears the signature against the motion moved, against the
No, you are all
Vice
united
President.
in passing the no trust motion in Rahul Gandhi, like I said.